good evening, good morning. Anong oras din sa inyo mga loves? It's me, Clani, and welcome back to Love and Clani Clubhouse. So today is the third day ng aking pagde-devotion. And isi-share ko sa inyo yung aking devotion na inspirational na apps na ginagamit ko. Ito yun. Ayan. So, yung inspirational app and meron din tayong the Holy Bible there. Kung wala kayong Bible na yung Bible talaga is pwede kayong gumamit ng apps called inspirational apps o yung Holy Bible apps. Ayan. Kung gusto niyo magkaroon ng pagbabasa ng konti sa Bible at saka pagkakaroon ng devotional sa sarili or sa everyday. So actually, this is my third day. Sabi ko nga sa first day ko nito is mag-devotion ako. And this time, o yung mga ganitong oras na solo ko, I mean, tulog na lahat. And with the, parang prayer worship. Parang prayer worship na kasi may kasama tayong mga music. And kung bakit ako may laptop is yung nga pinakinggan ko yung worship and doon ako nag-pray. And also yun, so this time kailangan talaga natin ng buong puso na pagdadasal, pagdidevotion, pagmuni-muni. Bakit nga ba nangyayari ito sa atin, sa bansa? Hindi natin alam kung ano talaga yung plan ni God, but we have to be ready. So, ang isi-share ko sa inyo today, today, is the 1 Thessalonians 5:21 to 22. Test all things and hold firmly that which is good. Abstain from every form of evil. So, yun nga, marami. Siguro kung sinishake na tayo ni God. Kasi marami na yung mga tao na nakakalimot. I'm not saying na perfect ako na lagi akong nagdadasal or lagi akong nagbabasa ng Bible, but sa ngayon kailangan talaga natin na bigyan ng konting time si God na maalala natin. So, hindi natin alam kung kailan siya darating ulit. Kaya, dahan-dahan lang natin ang sarili natin kung kailan nga darating si God. So anyway, mga loves, that is our verse for today. And pray natin na sana maging okay ng lahat at matapos na ang ating kinaharap na problema ngayon. At sana maging cooperative ang mga bawat Pilipino, bawat tao sa mga pinapatawad ng government.
There's a place in your heart, and I know that it is love. This place could be much brighter than tomorrow. And if you really try, you find there's no need to cry. In this place, you feel there's no hurt or sorrow. There are ways to get there. If you care enough for the living, make a little space, make a better place, heal the world, make it better place for you and for me and the entire human race. strong, only cares of joyful giving. If we try, we shall see. In this bliss we cannot feel. Fear of dread, stop existing and start living. Feel that always love enough for us growing, to make it better world.